Hello everybody, I just wanted to say thank you for being here. I know it's again not the best time of day to have your lecture, so good of all of you to make it here. Wanted also to offer reassurance to everybody. You will have the material, all of the material you need to successfully complete the digital marketing assessment that will be happening over the next few weeks. I wanted to offer that reassurance and also to say about today that will be facilitated by Aki, who is probably standing in front of the class now. What you want to do today is take the opportunity to go through the digital marketing guide handbook so that you can familiarize yourself with how a digital marketing plan is structured. You're not going to be expected to be au fait with or conversant with all of the terminology used in the guide, but it is absolutely imperative that you familiarize yourself with the structure so that when we begin to delve into it further and unpack the ideas explored in the guide, you would be better off or in a better place to progress your knowledge, as it were. Okay, so just those two things to give you reassurance that you will have all the information needed to complete the assessment successfully, and Aki will take it from there and tell you about what's going to happen for the rest of this session. All the best, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Bye for now.